Welcome, dear children. Hope all of you have listened to the first video of Albert Einstein at school. So, here is the second video. So, finally, Yuri found a doctor with whom he was friendly, and secondly, the doctor was a newly passed out doctor and he has just started his practice. Might be possible that Einstein was his first patient. So, when he finally visited the doctor, Einstein was very nervous. Why he was never very nervous? Because he was not good at lying. He told the doctor that he was not sure what he wants to say, that he was Einstein was a bit confused, to which the doctor replied that he need not say anything as Yuri has already told him everything, that how Einstein wanted to fake a nervous breakdown in order to get away from school. So Yuri has already briefed the doctor about Einstein's condition. This made Einstein anxious because he thought now the doctor won't give a certificate and declare that nothing is wrong with him and he would have to go back to school. So he didn't like that Yuri has told the doctor before everything, because now he was sure that doctor is not going to write anything about his nervous breakdown, and he will ask Einstein to go back to school and continue his study and finish his diploma. However, the doctor said on the contrary, saying that he thinks that Einstein is actually on the verge of breakdown because if he had not been so, he wouldn't have been so ready to fake it. So since he did not say lie, he was very bad at that. So now doctor was very sure that since Einstein has come to him, that means he is on the verge of nervous breakdown. So doctor agreed to give him a certificate. The doctor then asked that after he gets the certificate and gets to go away from his school, what he will do. So he just wanted to get an idea that what is he going to do without completing his diploma. So further, what he is going to do by taking the certificate. What is his plan? Einstein said that he will go to Italy to attend an Italian college or institute. He told the doctor that he will ask his mathematics teacher for a reference. Why he has to ask for a reference? Because since he hasn't completed his diploma, he won't get admission in any of the higher institute. So that's why he said that he will take the reference from his math teacher, and his was very much sure that his math teacher will write such good things about him that he will get an admission in higher institute. The doctor did not understand how that would help, but he saw that it was not helping him staying here too. So doctor also saw that staying back in the school will not help Einstein in any of the way, because he did not like the school and did not want to go back to school. So he gave a certificate suggesting a leave of 6 months. So he gave the certificate saying that he's suffering from nervous breakdown and he needs a 6 months leave. On being offered fees, he refused, saying that he has only recently stopped being a student and he knows the feeling. So when Einstein was offering him fee, he refused to take the fee because he knows that what is the pain of being a student, because he has just passed from the school. He has just stopped being a student, that now he no more he is a student, he has just passed or finished his studies. He requested Einstein to take Yuri out for a meal if he had money to spare. So he said, "Okay, if you have money to give me the fees, so don't give me fees, instead of in place of that, you just take Yuri for supper." For he was a good friend. Although Einstein had no money to spare, he still took Yuri out for a meal. See, already in the starting, I told you Einstein did not belong to a very good family. So, though he did not have the money, still he took Yuri out for a meal. You can say it was a mark of respect or gratitude towards the doctor. After seeing the certificate, Yuri thought it was a good idea to get it because after 6 months, if he could not do anything, he could always come back to school and finish his diploma. So it was good that he got the certificate because he was not leaving the school forever. If he will produce this certificate, it suggests that he has to only stay back at home for 6 months. That means after that he can resume his studies. So Einstein thought that in these 6 months, if he would not be able to do anything, he can anytime come back and resume his studies. But Einstein was determined not to go back there ever again, but he was very much determined that he will never go back to his school. And he planned on giving certificate tomorrow itself to the headmaster and take his leave. So he decided that tomorrow itself he will go and produce this certificate in front of the principal so that he may get the leave. Yuri reminded him to take his reference in writing from his mathematics teacher before that. Einstein next day visited his teacher, Mr. Koch, who readily gave him his reference, stating that soon Einstein will be able to teach him. So, in the whole school, only Mr. Koch was able to understand Einstein, and Einstein also he really respects his math teacher a lot. This was the only period he used to enjoy, and he was very good at maths. He was so good that his math teacher said that he has gained so much knowledge that soon he will be able to teach his maths teacher. He gave him a glorious reference, so he wrote some very good things about Einstein. Mr. Koch said that even before Einstein knew, he knew that he would eventually leave the school. So his math teacher told him, before you would have come and told me, I was very much sure that you will soon leave the school because Einstein was not happy with the school, the way of teaching, the subjects taught in the school. So we can see after reading this, after knowing this, we can say that Mr. Koch really understood Einstein well. This comment puzzled Einstein, but he didn't stay on it. He proceeded towards the head office, where he saw that even before demanding an interview, he had been called by the headmaster. So, while he was proceeding toward the office, a peon came to call him because the headmaster has called him to his office. This saved him 2 hours of waiting time. So he was very happy that headmaster has called him because now this has saved his 2 hours because otherwise he has to wait outside principal office. Einstein thought he must have been called again for his bad work or laziness. So every now and then he had all these things in the school, getting scolding from the principal or from the teacher. So he was now sure that principal must have summoned him for his bad work or laziness. The headmaster then told Einstein that he was expelling him because he thought Einstein was not diligent enough and his work is terrible. So before he could produce the certificate and ask for the leave, the headmaster told him that he is expelling him from the school just because he was not hardworking and his work is terrible, pathetic. Einstein was dazed at this action, and when asked for a reason, the headmaster just said that it was impossible for the teachers to teach in a class with him in it. So he was very dazed, means somewhat he was shocked to hear that. And then he asked the reason why is he being expelled from the school, to which the teacher gave the reason that the teachers are not able to teach in the class when Einstein is there because he disturbs the class a lot. Einstein replied that he was also not planning on staying, so he straight away told his principal that he too is not planning to stay in this school. The headmaster replied that they were in agreement then. So the principal said that this is the only thing on which both Einstein and principal has agreed. While leaving the school, Einstein took a last look at it and thought that there was no one he would like to say goodbye to. So he only had Yuri only friend Yuri, and Mr. Coach was the person whom he really wanted to meet. So he already met with Mr. Coach, and Yuri was the only person to whom he wanted to say goodbye. Otherwise, he never want to step in that school again. He had even started to hate the town itself. So he didn't like the school. He didn't like Munich, and Elsa was also back in Berlin, so he just bid farewell to his good friend Yuri, who wished him good luck for his future. And Elsa, his cousin, already she went back to Berlin, so now nobody left in the town except Yuri. He didn't like the school, and he didn't like anybody in Munich. He was, as such, he used to hate his lodging place. So now he went to Yuri and said final goodbye to him. So with this, we come to the end of the chapter. Here are few homework questions. Please write these questions in your notebook. Write the answers also. I think it is understood. The word limits are given there. Don't try to exceed the word limit. Try to answer first six questions in 30 to 40 words, and second part in 80 to 100 words. So suppose whenever you come to the school, if or if not also, then soon I'm going to ask you for the sending the PDF of your notebooks. So please complete your work. Anytime I can ask you for the PDFs of your notebook, in which you have to send me all the work till this chapter. So write all these questions and answer in your notebook. Till then, have a great day. Study hard. Take care. Bye bye.